Every year we celebrate World Environment Day on the 5th of June. This year's World Environment Day theme is Only One Earth, which closely aligns to Downer's zero harm strategy to deliver our services in an environmentally responsible manner and support the communities that depend upon us. Downer's purpose is to create and sustain the modern environment by building trusted relationships with our customers. But to me, it goes beyond that. Downer exists to improve communities. The services we deliver for our customers touch lives of millions of people across Australia and New Zealand every day, through the water they drink, the power they use, the roads they travel on, the public transport they rely on, and the communication networks they use to stay connected. Not only have we set ambitious decarbonisation targets for our own operations, committing to cut our greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2035 and be net zero by 2050, we also have industry-leading expertise to support our customers in achieving their net zero goals. Downer is one of the largest and most experienced providers in the renewable energy market and power systems sector, with more than 3 gigawatts of renewable energy generated by wind and solar farms that Downer has either built or is currently delivering. We also install rooftop solar panels and battery storage systems into schools, as we are doing in our utilities business through the ACES program in Queensland, which has already resulted in 360 schools making the switch to solar. There will be no energy transition without transmission, and through our infrastructure projects business, Downer is the leading provider of high voltage transmission and distribution networks. We are delivering building efficiency upgrades through our defence and facilities and asset services contracts, and also providing energy efficient enhancements to Sydney Trains' modern fleets through air conditioning upgrades in our rail business. Our facilities and asset services business is also at the front of decarbonisation technologies and innovations. We have established the capabilities and partnerships that will help position Australia as a leader in clean hydrogen, and we have also supported our customers, Chevron and Santos, in delivering carbon capture underground storage systems. And of course, our road services business continues to be circular economy leaders through their economy business and the manufacturing of their Econofelt asphalt product. As the world shifts to a net zero future, we can all be proud to work at a company like Downer, which will play a pivotal role in helping to create a brighter future and a better planet Earth. For more information on what Downer is doing to celebrate World Environment Day, please head to the Environment and Sustainability site on iDowner.